Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching DigitWise. In this video, I am going to show you how to lower notification sound volume on Mac. So if notification sound on your Mac feel too loud or distracting, you can simply reduce just alert volume without lowering your music, videos or other media playback. This allows you to keep notifications at a comfortable level while everything else on your Mac continues playing at its natural volume. So to change this setting, first click on the Apple logo and then choose System Settings. Now in the left side pane, go to Sound and here find the Alert Volume slider in the right side pane and drag the slider to the left until the notification volume reaches the level you prefer. And if you want to hear the difference, simply click on the alert sound list above of the sidebar preview. Here you can click on this icon to just hear the alert sound. And once you are comfortable with your selection, close System Settings. And that's it. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.